Sure. What we got?
Well, you tell them what you have, and I'll tell them what I got. Shut up, Groot.
That's not very nice.
He's interrupting us.
Why would you say that? He's gonna be doing that this entire video now. I just had to push the button.
All your fault.
Groot, stop.
Stop it. Stop it.
Okay, so I've
Just
got.
kidding. I love you, Groot. Okay.
All right, so I've got the Mickey Mouse Scentsy warmer, and you've got the Minnie Mouse
Got the
one.
Minnie Mouse one, yeah.
All right, so let's start with Mickey.
Are we doing one at a time or both at the same time?
Do one at a
Okay.
time. I don't remember if these had a piece of paper in front or in them because we've unboxed these 3 times now. So you may remember from the villains one, or no, not the villains one.
He's doing it again.
That's right. From the Spirit Halloween haul, that we had a lot of technical issues when we were first starting to do these. So yeah, yes, I know. I made sure it was all good this time.
Yeah, he keeps wanting to say his word about his opinion. Okay, we got it. We got it.
All right, so right off the box. Oh boy! Oh shucks! And you open it up. So the dish, it's not a glass one; it's porcelain or.
Yeah, it's not as cool as the last couple of them, so.
I don't know. We haven't lit them up yet, so.
No, but there's no picture.
Well, there's the Mickey emblem.
I guess there is something in there.
So
not
it's
as
nice.
colorful.
Yeah, so it's a nice deep dish, and it's got the hidden Mickey in there. Foam. And I'm gonna have to try and act as great as I can. Look at this amazing Scentsy warmer that I've never seen before!
You're not, no.
Terrible acting.
Yeah. You're terrible, Lane.
Yeah, so it's got a really big Mickey on the front, and it's got little Mickey emblems throughout, so you'll be able to see those light up when it's lit up. It's got a nice white light bulb. I think red would just look creepy on this, but don't want to make Mickey look evil. So yeah.
And she has an evil twin.
So yeah. So I'll do some close-up pictures of this, and we'll do a light up. And I'm really curious to see what this is going to look like, because I wonder if it's going to be like the Jack, where it'll light up a little bit and you'll be able to see that emblem.
Right? Yeah, won't surprise me. With how Scensy's been making their Disney warmers lately.
Yeah. So I'm talking about this now, but you guys have probably already seen this because I probably did another hyperlapse of this one.
There's one more warmer I'm thinking about we need to get still, but
Which one's that?
the honey pot.
Oh yes, we need it.
Yeah.
That one looks so cool.
Yeah, that's okay.
And I love Winnie the Pooh. So
Yeah, who doesn't?
evil people.
I got it,
Evil
got it.
people,
But
people.
Tigger is like my absolute favorite character in that, and I love all the characters. But all right,
So we'll set this off this side
all
here.
right. So it's my turn.
It is your turn.
All right, let's open up Minnie. Like for like the third time, right?
Yeah.
Second or third time. Okay, this one.
Remember, you have to act like you haven't seen it before.
Oh, right. Okay, I'll do my best. All right, this one says the future. Yeah, the future's. Oh, the future's pink with polka dots. Yeah, that's true. Enjoy life. Wear bows. And we put bows on our daughter like all the time, so.
She is following the mini mantra.
All right, this dish looks. Oh, it has a little bow, a little hidden bow in there.
With a hidden mini.
Yeah, hidden mini bow, not the Mickey ears with the mini, just
Oh,
the
so
mini
it's just
bow.
the bow.
Yeah. See.
Okay, so it's a hidden bow.
Okay, so I might work the same. We'll probably work the same way because these are exactly the same, except different at the same time. Okay.
What the heck, Groot? You interrupt me the entire time, but you don't interrupt Renee at all?
He did interrupt you for a while. This stupid thing won't come out. Okay.
Renee's having technical difficulties with the styrofoam.
Oh my, that is amazing! I love it. Look at this. This is so cool. And I knew.
Wish I had a piece of paper I can hold up like a scorecard. I'll give you a 5.
Who do you think did it better? Okay. Alright. Here's the light bulb. And then there. There. Put the dish on. Voila! Get this off too. You playing with bubble wrap again?
I am.
He is obsessed with bubble wrap. Who isn't though? Then again, who is it?
Right now.
Okay, there you have it. There's the Minnie, and here's the Mickey.
Let's button up a little bit.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
So now we have a total of 4 Disney warmers.
Yes.
We've got to stop. It's not going to stop.
So, next week, what do we got for him next week?
Next week, we have all the scents we got with them. Don't break Mickey. You almost broke her. You're fluttering with Mickey. They belong together. Okay. We got all these wax.
No, they have to be mysteries. They have to all be a mystery.
Oh, right, yes. Oh, whoops.
Alright, there we go.
Alright.
Alright, so be sure to comment below which one of us acts better. And be sure to come back next week for these, all of these. Our noses are going to be so tired after that.
I'm not complaining.
So be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. We better not get a copyright infringement because of you.